And then there were 4 of us. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alex has joined us today, and now we're going back for a little Carowinds before we hit the road and head towards Pigeon Forge in Tennessee. Hopefully it'll be another mellow day. It's a Tuesday. Don't know how much actual park footage there'll be here because mostly it's going to be a travel vlog, but we'll probably get some coaster action anyways. Say hi, nerds.
Hi, nerds.
Hi, nerds. Go Nighthawk. The coaster formerly known as Stealth. Yeah, still not gonna ride that, but looks neat. Good paint job. Hi, ma'am. I heard you just rode your first B&M Hypercoaster. What do you think?
It was really fun.
There you go. See?
Very smooth and not at all scary.
You know why?
Just can't go wrong with B&M Hyper.
Thank you. Alex, ready to hurl?
Yes.
Let's go hurl.
It's on board, and then you go up and then go through backwards again.
So who's facing the right way? So we've hurled. Well, not literally hurled, but we hurlers.
Hurlers.
Feedback?
We survived the hurler.
Yes. It was a little bumpy. It started off nice.
Yeah, what do you think? What say you?
I liked it.
Oh, alright, well, there's a positive. Huh?
It's fine.
I would say out of all the rides I've ridden today, this is definitely one of them.
Yeah.
And that's all I'm going to say about the hurler. Magic of time travel or time travel? Time traveler. Little coaster Freudian slip. I said we were going to go do ride hurler, and then the hurler was closed, and we rode 4 of the rides.
Yeah.
So quite a haul for a travel day. But now we really got to get. You hear that?
We get. Dino Ride is calling.
Well, the Smoky Mountains are calling, and Jurassic the boat ride, TM, is also calling. Bye, Fury.
Bye, Fury.
See you next time. See you later, Carowinds. Great visiting you on your 50th anniversary. You gave me that kind of Kings Island vibe for reasons that are pretty obvious if you know theme park history. So, awesome. Had a really fun time. Kind of drag these folks out to Dollywood. Hey, we're supposed to be going to Tennessee.
Yeah, let's go
The
to
Smoky Mountains are calling you.
Smoky Mountains, they call you.
See? Carowinds, where the Carolinas come together. Or they don't come at all. You're staring at it.
I don't want to stare at it. Okay. So here we are. Where are we going to now?
Tennessee.
Are you guys ready? Got your snacks? We're snacking.
Ready to go.
We're road tripping. Okay. Bye-bye, Carowinds. It was fun. See you again someday. Intimidator, you didn't intimidate me.
I could see, I think Carowinds has Kings Island weekender potential.
I think so too.
Yeah. It's got big Kings Island energy.
Yeah, and it's airport close.
Very close.
This is what the drive looks like. It's trees, it's sky, it's trees, and then a lot more trees. And then you know what? There's some grass too. And then there's trees. I don't know if you can see it out there, but the scenery is changing. We are now approaching some mountains.
A point of interest.
We just crossed the Eastern Continental Divide.
For those of you who didn't hear that, we just crossed the Eastern Continental Divide.
Pause for drama. Where?
in traffic. We're by Asheville,
Thank you.
and they have big signs off the side of the road. And stuff.
You're a natural born hostess.
Beaver believer?
Beaver believer.
90 miles.
You better believer it.
Are we gonna make it to Buc-ee's?
Not today.
Oh man, it's such a tease.
So shouldn't do that.
Welcome to Tennessee.
You volunteered to come here because it's a volunteer state.
Oh, okay. All right, we crossed state lines
Again?
again.
Ooh, visitor center.
Do you want to go to the bushes? I don't think they're open right now.
It's closed. It's kind of cool though.
White lightning.
Chestnut Hill, Methodist Church. Churches over here.
Oh wait, what's wrong with this place?
Union.
Wonderworks is upside down.
Is that a Hard Rock?
The animals and the McCoys aren't now.
Button Willow Civil War Theater. Although Button Willow Civil War part is
Who are the patron saints of Hollywood?
Sonic!
King Kong.
We can bring some ice home, honey.
Yeah, let's get ice. Monkey, giant monkey on the building.
I already have like a key.
Yeah, but we don't know where.
Okay.
Besides that, see if they can. All right. Per request, here's another room tour. It's a courtyard, which is you know what you're gonna get, and that's not a bad thing. But there's really not much that's different. So you walk in, bathroom, towels, sink, shower, toilet. Kevin. Walk by here. Safe, ironing board, full-length mirror, more Kevin. We happen to have 2 queen beds this time because we're traveling with companions who are outside on the balcony. We're up on the 6th floor. This is various drawers, an internet TV, my personal favorite. That's a Val.
Hi.
We're starting to plug things in already, getting charged up. A chair. We have a slanted cabinet with a microwave and a refrigerator. It's a bonus. And the air conditioning, which, yes, I've already set the thermostat to 65. So, yep, looks like good stuff. Oh, Kevin again. So, yeah, it seems like a good courtyard room, and we're walking distance to a bunch of stuff in Pigeon Forge, which we're going to take advantage of right now. It's full and get nachos, but like the mugs, because we're thirsty, we like drink. Like if we need water, because we did have water on the way home, but still, it wasn't ideal.
Hi.
Hello.
Just hanging out after a long drive.
Yes.
Dressing.
Yeah, I'm windy.
And then windy.
And no more long drives till Friday. So we have 2 full days of no long drive. It's 2 full days. You ready for Pigeon Forge?
Can I be?
I don't know. Can you be?
Sure. Why not?
I'm not sure I am. But we'll find out.
Right there.
Who what?
There's a water tower that says Smoky Mountain Brewery or something.
Distillery?
If you say so.
I don't know. Right there. It's a tower. Right
The
here?
tower. A tower.
Rapunzel. Yes, Smoky Mountain Brewery.
And restaurant.
I'm making these things up.
Alright, there's the Pirates Voyage dinner show and Margaritaville Resort, which begs the question, no, which just asked the question, is Pigeon Forge Vegas for squares? Let me know. We've made it to the island of Pigeon Forge. Not much of a waterway, but I'll grant him the island. Take us here, take us here. We need to eat, we need to eat. Let us in. We're going from Mellow Mushroom Pizza to the shine. It's time for the shine. Ready? This isn't even the last stop of the night. We're still going to go to the pool. We're really maximizing Pigeon Forge on our first night. So, because tomorrow's Dollywood. So.
Here's your $5 off coupons. You can use 2 per transaction and they never expire.
Alright, so cost you $5 to sample. So yeah, $5 sample and a $5 coupon. So basically you're paying for buying some more unit discount. Alright, pineapple up. There's another high volume, but this is really like a speed run. Like all of these tasters in what, 10 minutes?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
It is a lot.